Today we will show you how to replace your 10-inch pre-filter. This process is applicable to both sediment and carbon pre-filters. You need your filter wrench to undo and do up your filter housing. Turn clockwise to open, undo, anti-clockwise to close, tighten. Before you undo your filter housing, make sure your system isn't pumping water. Align your wrench's internal grooves with the grooves on the filter housing. Then turn clockwise to open. Empty the water resting in the filter housing. Now make sure to remove any plastic packaging from your new pre-filter before use. Once the packaging has been removed, place your new pre-filter into the housing. Before fitting it onto your system, check the rubber O-ring isn't perished. Hand tighten the housing filter onto the system, making sure not to cross-thread it. Now with your filter wrench, tighten the housing, turning it in an anti-clockwise direction. And that's how to replace a pre-filter on a pure water van system. To purchase your pre-filters, head to our website www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thanks for watching.